Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to locate different places on a given map. So first, just have a quick recap what we have done in class 3. Remember class 3 what we have done? Where we live? We live on planet Earth, and planet Earth is covered with almost near about 71 to 72% with water only, and the rest of the part is land. So on earth there are 7 large land masses, and we given them name continent. Remember, we have done continents and oceans in class 3. So today we are going to learn about continent Asia, and in continent Asia about our country India. Okay, so let's begin. So, let's see. We have done these 7 continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, and this larger one is Asia. And in Asia, here we have our country India. So, continents are further divided into countries, and country is further divided into states and union territories. So in India we have total 28 states and 8 union territories. Now you people think, what is the difference between states and union territories? Why not only states? The difference is, have you heard about the planet Pluto? Earlier, Pluto was a part of our solar system, but after 2007, it was not the part of our solar system. Why? Because of its very small size. Similarly, union territories are very small in area according to state. So that's why we have given them separate name as union territories. So how many total union territories we have in India? 8. So let's start one by one how we are going to locate them. See, first come to the north direction. You all are aware about the direction. The top of the map is your north direction and bottom is south. Here is west and here is east. So in north there are 2 union territories. See this topmost area of map of India. If you found the new map, already demarcation is there. If not, just make this demarcation in this map. Okay, map is going to be like, plain map is like this. So you have to mark a demarcation, a line like this, and this line is going to separate this whole part into 2 union territories. One is Ladakh and another one is Jammu and Kashmir. So clear both these union territories. One is Ladakh and another one is Jammu and Kashmir. So 2 we have done. Come to the third one, Chandigarh. I think all of you have heard the name of Chandigarh, because Chandigarh is also the capital of Haryana as well as the capital of Punjab also. See, where is Chandigarh? Chandigarh, Punjab. See, there is a dot. Okay, in Punjab area. This dot is your Chandigarh. And now come to the center. Okay, like here in Haryana, boundary of Haryana, there is a very small area. This dot is also there. Our capital of India, Delhi. Delhi is also union territory. Okay, so 4 we have done: Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, here the Chandigarh, and boundary of Haryana we have Delhi. In your book also, EVS book, the last page we have one map of India. There also you can see these different states. And remember, we have given you one holiday homework also, a game to locate different states and different capitals. Okay, so you can take help of that also. And later on also we are also going to look at different state also, but first union territory. So first we have done Ladakh. This whole area is Ladakh, and this is Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, and here Delhi. Clear? Now come to the southern part. Okay, see, water bodies also you have located. This water body west of India is Arabian Sea, here it is Bay of Bengal, and below here it is Indian Ocean. So just see this name. This is a big name, but one name only. Earlier they were two different union territories, but now they are only one union territory. The one name is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. This whole is one name. Earlier Dadra and Nagar Haveli is separate and Daman and Diu separate, but now these two merged to one union territory only. Okay, and bache, when you will see in Arabian Sea, very small dots are going to be visible. These small dots are Lakshadweep Islands. What are island? A place, a landmass which is all surrounded by the water all around. Okay, so these small dots are land area, and this is Lakshadweep. Okay, now come here. This is Puducherry. Okay, and Bay of Bengal, very small land piece here. See, I have colored it also a little bit. A black dot is also to represent this Puducherry. And see here, these small, when you will check in when you are going to locate in your map, each and everything is going to be very clear to you. These all small land masses, very small dotted representation of land masses, your Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Islands, I already told you, land masses surrounded all around water. So just have a quick recap. We have done total 8 union territories: Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island. I think all is clear to you. We will send you the screenshot also of this map. Thank you.